Kaya ba natin yun? Elda is requesting Naku, ang hirap ng mga request nyo ha. The last time daw. Kaya ba? Kaya the last time? Ah, the first time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all. The next time I settled for what felt so close. But without romance, you're never gonna fall. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I'll fall in love. That's for you, Elda. Yeah. What else? Ano pang gusto nyo? Elda, that's for you, ha? Ready mo na yung ano mo, ibibigay mo din sa akin, ha? What's up? Pwede namang mag-request.